Hello everyone! Welcome to our tutorial on creating personal views in Microsoft Dynamics 365. A view is a customized representation of records. It's shaped by its features, how it's sorted, and by the set of columns it's chosen. Users can create, save, and access the custom displays, making it much easier to see the records that matters most to them. Today, I will guide you on how to craft your own personal views. There are three types of views in Dynamics 365: personal, system, and public. Personal is the only type of views that you can create without system admin or system customized security roles. That is why it is the most popular. Personal view, after it was created, is private, but you can share it and set permissions for others to edit, delete, share, etc. Okay, let's begin the step-by-step process of creating personal view in Dynamics 365. Step 1. Navigate to the entity. Starting off, head to the upper right corner of the app or visit makepowerapps.com. Click on Settings, Advanced Settings, and then Advanced Find button. It looks like a funnel. Step 2. Define your query. Now, pick your table from the Look For drop-down. This is where you will set your filters. Choose fields, set operators, values, and adjust columns as you need. This helps narrow down the records you want to see. Step 3. Save the query as a personal view. Once you are satisfied, click on the Save As button. Here, give a view name and a description. Then hit Save. That's it. Your query is now a personal view. Step 4. Managing your personal view. Your newly created view can be accessed by clicking the Saved Views button. It's right there, in the My News drop-down. You can also choose other views, or even set one as a default. And remember, Dynamics 365 allows you to share views, set access rights, or even delete any personal views you no longer need. And that's it. That is how you create a personal view in Dynamics 365, custom tailored to your needs. Whether you keep it in private or share it with your team, this feature helps to streamline your workflow by focusing on the most pertinent records. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on Microsoft Dynamics 365. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned. We would love to hear your experience in the comments. Additionally, you can find a lot of exciting information on our blog. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our consultants. We are always here to help.